In the previous section, we have seen the first watercolor technique, that was wet on dry. Here, let's have a look for the wet on wet watercolor technique. First, let me explain you how it is different from wet on dry. Is here the paper is also wet and the color is also wet, as the name says, wet on wet. The merging of the pigments is really nice in this technique as compared to the wet on dry. So most of the landscape paintings and maybe the backgrounds of the still life paintings are made with the wet on wet technique. To begin with, we'll just apply fresh water on the paper. The paper should be completely wet from top to bottom, as we just want to make the background. You can leave spaces, or maybe you will not put water at some places on the paper if you really want to leave the paper white. Generally we do for some still life objects where we want to show the highlight and we don't want to put any color on that. In that case, don't apply water on that part. Otherwise, everywhere we have to put the fresh water, and after that we'll add color to it. This time I just want to make the multicolor background, so I am using the chrome yellow or orange or scarlet red and vermilion, and whatever colors, like whatever you like. Just take 3-4 colors and start applying on the wet paper. You can follow any pattern or you can just randomly apply a color on the paper. It's totally your choice. Here I am just making some diagonal pattern with different shades. If you see closely the merging between the orange and the red, it's very gradual and natural. So this is how pigments will automatically flow on the paper and they will merge into each other. That's the beauty of the wet on wet technique. Once you are done with all the colors, maybe you can go for one more coat of the second layer of the coloring if you want to make it really a darker shade. Once you are done, let it dry for some time, and after drying, if you'll see, the pigments looks really beautifully merged into each other and they gave us a beautiful wet on wet background.